I'm going to Rory's, but it's a rainy day. I don't like rainy days because it's a rainy day. Rory, is it a rainy day?
Yeah, it's a rainy day, and I just got my arms cut off. See that?
Did the rain cut them off?
What?
Did the rain cut them off?
Yeah, the rain is really like sharp, man.
Yeah. And the rain, it made my hair not dry. Look, it's not dry. Now it is. No! Stop! I'm gonna punch you with no arm. Run from the rain, Rory! Okay, just wait 1 second. Rory! Rory, they're gonna show them your special move. Okay, go.
My arms are back! That's my special move.
Do your scary move.
Oh, yeah.
Do your scary one.
Okay.
That was really scary. No! Look! It's all red! Look at me again! My face is all red. How do you do that? How do you make your face all red, Rory? Rory, make your face all red.
Magic.
Magic! Can you make my face turn red?
Yes. If I slap it 1,000,000 times.
No, use your magic.
Okay.
No! Look at him run away. He's going the wrong way. Yeah, you better run! Yeah, really scared the chicken. I'm scared the chicken! What you guys doing? Yeah. You're eating chips in the rain? Yeah. Walking up the trail, walking up the trail, walking up the trail to see the road and not the rain. To see the road, not you!